Yeah, the food is really great. It's wow, incredible, good, really good.
The food is really, really good.
Oh, cheese!
Really.
Kitchen and the people enjoyed it. They had lots of food, way more than you would think. They could get 1, 2, 3 plates. They get like how many different dishes? 4, 5
Five.
dishes. So and yeah, dishes we don't eat in Belgium. So nice job.
Like this. Oh, it was very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, this is Chef Duque from Liverpool here in the UK. Today is another food hack vlog. So what we're saying is a food hack. It's just because what we're doing is already cooked food and then we turn into another dish. Like for this episode or this vlog, we're gonna turn out to these mussels, which is one of my favorites. You can see it under my Instagram account. I got loads of these food mussels. This one ranks my favorite food on a pasta. So these are the cooked mussels. So we're gonna turn this one into a nice lovely dish. So I'll show you how to hack this pre-cooked food. So we have a few ingredients to be used on this recipe we're making. We have the cooked mussels, and we're gonna use a little bit of parsley in it and some Parmigiano cheese, and we also use some fresh garlic and fresh chopped chilies, and we're gonna use some pink salt, some extra virgin olive oil, black pepper newly crushed, and you can also use the linguine, which is really good, but this time we're gonna use this tagliatelle. It's hard to pronounce it in Italian, but we're gonna use this one much thicker kind of pasta. But we're gonna put in some carbonara sauce. So I got it from Tesco. It's just from. Okay, first things first. Boil your water. Drop in some couples of pasta. Normally I only took 2 of those round things, but these are my favorite, so we're gonna put some more on it. Yeah, why not? So this will cover like 9 minutes of boiling. 2 minutes before it cooks, because it cooks like around 9 minutes. So 2 minutes before it cooks, so you have to transfer them so you could cook the sauce on it. So the pasta is still boiling, and you have to start for your sauce. The timing is really essential on this one. I use a bit of wok, put some olive oil on it. And then we're gonna throw in our garlic and chili together. And before you can burn your garlic, you have to throw in some water on it, so you won't burn. You don't like the burn garlic, so we just have enough on it, like a bit of golden brown. Like that. When you have that golden brown, you could smell the nice garlic on it. Drop in your mussels. So this mussels is pre-cooked already. But you have to put lesser salt on this one. As I've said, the mussels is already been cooked. So just small salt. And then the pepper. As I've said, the sauce, the carbonara sauce is optional. As you can see, the sauce is a bit lesser. So sometimes you want to be more creamy, so you need the sauce. But remember, the sauce will absorb to the pasta, so it will get more tastier. So we're putting the sauce down just to heat a bit. This is only optional, right? I want it to be much more creamy. As you continue cooking, dump in your pasta. Make sure to slow cook. Once you mix in your pasta, let the pasta absorb the sauce. Pasta will always absorb the sauce. So you have to put your greens in it. And then don't overcook it. Because remember, your mussels is already been cooked. And then your pasta will be running more than 10 minutes now, so that would be too much. Alright guys, now we're doing the plating, so we have to get the clean plate. And we always start with our pasta. Like this one. Put your pasta in. Don't worry about the mess.
That's real. We'll get to it later. Okay. Make sure you have to put the chili on it. And some mussels.
Nice, that's good for one serving. Put some garnish. And this is only for decoration. And don't forget your Parmigiano. So that's how you set your plate. So now this is the finished product of what we hacked for today. Mussels with garlic and chili. So enjoy it. It's really quick, less than 20 minutes. You can, including the prep. So we actually could hack a lot of food. I have like 3,000 recipes on my mind, which is I could hack every food that I see. So enjoy this one. Until the next one, please subscribe and make a comment if you like me to hack another recipe. So yes, as long as they are available here in Liverpool, England, I could hack them. So until the next one, cheers, bye, ciao, buon appetito.